Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be visiting beehives in Malta. This is also the start of our new series, Be a Tourist in Your Own Country. Since the summer holidays are coming up and, well, we can't really go abroad because of COVID-19, so we're going to do a series of videos about being a tourist in your own country. This is the first one. Hope you enjoy and let's get into it. It's basically like putting on a jumpsuit, I'd say. Yeah. Ta-da! Now we're completely suited up with like the top thingies and the foot thingies. So this is going to be fun. I think, how many boxes are there down there? They're like 3. So that's like 150 down there. No. Okay, there are hundreds of thousands of bees, even millions. So let's do this.
So, this is an empty hive. This is like an emergency hive. So inside the hive, we have frames of wax, you see? Each wax sheet has these hexagonal shape and they are 5.3 millimeters. Now the bees, they eat honey. They eat 14 kilos of honey to make 1 kilo of wax. Okay, and they build these into cells, and inside the cell the queen lays an egg and the bees store honey, which is the food for the egg, which becomes a larva, which then becomes a bee. And that takes 24 days to be done.
Okay guys, so there are actually over 1 million bees in this area, so they might cover the camera.
Or you.
Or me, yeah.
So we put stones on the hives because it gets windy and so that the hives don't topple over. We put stones to keep them down. This is a typical hive activity which is going on. You see the bees these are Maltese, okay, and Italian. Okay, this is a Maltese bee, and that's an Italian bee. You see, and all the bees are girls, females. Okay. So inside a typical box like this, you have about 50,000 bees. Okay, and there's only one queen, which is the mother. Okay. The queen lays about 2,500 eggs a day. Okay, the life of a bee is only 6 weeks. So you have a big changeover of people all the time going on. You have bees dying and bees being born all the time. Okay, and then they go out. They get eaten by birds, insects, hit by cars. Their wings break in the wind. I mean, so it's continue. An egg to become a bee, it takes 24 days. Okay?
So that's less than 6 weeks.
And then 6 weeks life. In winter they live a bit longer because they go out less. So the risk, and the queen lives for 2 years.
Oh, that's cool.
Here's the queen. When bees smell fire, they know that there is danger. So they would go back into the hive and fill their tummies with honey, so that if they need to leave the colony, because the colony is going to be burned down, they at least have food in their tummies to start off the new colony. Now, when we go in with smoke like this, we make a diversion for the bees, so that the bees think that danger is coming and they're doing something else while we're going through their hive.
Now we're going up there to open our first hive with 50,000 bees, which basically means bees. Also, my first bee went over there. That was cool.
I mean, the bees don't have a language. They
Wow, that's
give,
so cool.
they communicate from one bee to the other via smell, pheromones, and buzzing sound. But for them, this is their home. People of this country. Okay.
Whoa.
And then.
Whoa. That is so cool.
This is honey. Okay, this part is honey. You remember that sheet we saw over there? This is built up. Okay, so the cells have been expanded, so each cell has a little hole. So the cells,
gets more light in
the cells in the middle are where the queen lays an egg, and these are eggs which are developing larvae, which are capped, which are closed, and they take 24 days to hatch. Okay, this over here is the food around the area where the babies are being bred.
Can you see here? Can you see those white larvae?
For your dentist, they taking the video. Your sister is.
You see this colored stuff here? That's pollen.
Where's your finger?
There, I'm trying to change the light. See the colored? That's pollen. You see the different colored pollens from different colored flowers. This is a worker bee, and this huge one is a drone.
How can you tell?
It depends how many flowers
Enormous.
there
Look, this is small.
are in the air.
This is huge.
Size.
Now the bees,
Yes.
they go
These don't
3
have a stick there.
kilometers
The
away,
bees don't have stickers.
and they find where the flowers are.
I need to see.
And then if a bee finds a field, for example, with a lot of flowers,
We have
it comes back to the hive. Okay, and it tells all her other sisters where that field is. She will tell them by making a special dance.
Let's start with that sheet you gave me.
Okay, it depends how wide and how deep. So it tells them, listen, go like 1 kilometer in this direction. Then change and you go down the hill. Okay, and the bees will then go and find a place. Like if you had to leave a pot of jam or something outside that hole, one bee will come. Okay, and then after a few minutes that bee goes away, and then a whole load of bees come to start picking up on the video. One's like that. The other one, hold it well, huh? I want to let go.
You have to get
See, this is a larva. Okay, you see the eyes? They are forming. See, it's another one here.
Those are the
And
babies.
these are babies which are being made, production. This is the section over here. They are filling up with honey. Okay. Now, when they collect the nectar from the flowers, there is 70% water in it. So the bees have to remove the water from it to make it more thick. So, and the amount of water in the honey is 20%. Okay, so they have to stay flapping their wings to dry the honey, all right, to remove the water. And at the same time, they have to keep the temperature of the hive constant. It is like the human body, 37 degrees.
Come on.
What is
So
the
it's
food?
basically 1 kilo of sugar with 1 kilo of water. And we give them this as a boost. I mean, they go through 3 liters of sugar. Okay, so what we do is just pour it in. Okay, inside, because the bees don't know how to swim. Okay, inside they have sticks so that they can stay on the sticks.
The tips.
Oh, right, yeah.
Okay, and they don't drown. Or else we have to pour it inside. So then we close it in.
But the bees are always coming in and outside. We're never inside.
Okay, guys.
Bees are always in and out. So you asked me about the pollen. Basically, the pollen and the different nectars is what gives different honeys and different flavors. You know? And when you see all those different colored pollens, it's amazing because you don't even realize that flowers have so many different colored pollen.
Nina, does she look different?
She's got a big abdomen,
A big abdomen.
but not like the drone, which is the man. This is the male. Okay, look, this is the boy.
Yeah.
He's just fat. Queen is like the worker, but with a very big abdomen, the end part of the insect.
But they are growing to queens or they are born as
they're
queens?
born as queens.
They are
This is
made.
very interesting.
Made.
Some
The queen lays eggs, female eggs. If they are fertilized eggs, they become female. Okay, and they take 24 days, and they are fed with honey and pollen. Okay, those are the normal eggs. The bees always take normal eggs, and and put them in special cells, which look like peanuts, which are called queen cells. And they are fed royal jelly. Royal jelly is a special food, okay, which instead of taking 24 days to develop an egg into a bee, it takes 16 days to develop it into a super bee.
There's one being born here.
Aren't there technically 15,000?
See? Yeah.
Yeah.
Choose all the wax.
Oh,
Correct.
wow.
See, let's go. That's good.
That's incredible. This is a National Geographic
You know what is more incredible? Seeing that queen being born.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
their hair piping.
Make sure to pause at this part, well, if you don't want honey to be ruined forever. Honey is technically bee vomit. So the bees take in the nectar and then they vomit it out as honey into another bee.
Yes.
So enjoy that the next time you're drinking delicious honey. Or should I say, bee vomit
this. I mean,
Did you guys know bees was an endangered species? So these guys are actually helping to breed bees and make them non-endangered.
what the thing is, when you eat honey, if you are living in England, you should eat English. If you are living in Malta, you eat Maltese honey. The reason being that the bees would have collected the pollen from the flowers in your area where you are living, and you are eating the goodness of that pollen. So the body will get its immune system much better than if it had to eat honey from South America. Understand?
So eating honey increases our immunity.
Yes,
So that's what you
definitely.
need.
Say yummy.
Fingers clean.
They're so good. Oh my god.
That's good.
Saat aroma,
This is thyme.
Fine.
If I like bite the whole thing, I will like my whole mouth will fill with honey, so I have to bite it slowly. Because so much honey will come out.
Thank you.
So nice. So this is the actual where the bees kind of put the honey. This is the whole thing.
It's like when you bite it.
I haven't seen many places where you can buy it, although I know you can buy it at a lot of fairs because we have bought it at fairs. I'm not seeing it in many supermarkets, but if you do find this, make sure you get some. Because it's really good.
So this is really healthy.
This is the most healthy thing, and that's the most.
This is going to be the end of the video. Yeah, we've been going for a pretty long time. It was tons of fun. Make sure you subscribe and like this video so you can check out the next videos in the Be a Tourist in Your Own Country series. And make sure to be adventurous. Peace out. Hey guys, so today our video is sponsored by Maltese Honey Golden Island. This is an amazing honey brand in Malta and you should definitely buy them because today we went to visit their beehives and we tried their honey and it is incredible. I mean, they have tons of different flowers and they have different types of honey and they even use thyme, which is a herb, to create the best honey ever. Like, it's the best honey I've ever tried. Golden Island honey brand. So make sure you get these guys because this is some of the best honey in the world.